Hey Josh, I was just thinking about all the different ways we learn. Sometimes it's online, sometimes it's from a book, but there's one format that feels like the classic, The one with a real teacher in front of a room.
Absolutely, Glory. You're talking about the cornerstone of training for centuries. We call that Instructor-Led Training, or ILT for short. It's a perfect place for us to start our deep dive.
So, ILT, let's define it. Is it as simple as it sounds?
In its essence, yes. Instructor-led training is any training session where the learning is directed and delivered in real time by a live instructor. The key characteristics are that human interaction and immediate guidance. The instructor is the driver of the content, the pace, and the discussion.
So the instructor is central. What exactly is their role in this setup?
They wear many hats. Primarily, they are the subject matter expert who presents the material, but they're also a facilitator. They guide discussions, answer questions on the spot, and adapt their teaching based on the learner's reactions. They provide that crucial live feedback.
I always picture a physical classroom with a whiteboard, but is that the only way?
That's the traditional and very common format. But the core idea, a live instructor leading the session, can happen in a digital space too. Think of a live webinar or a workshop conducted through a video conferencing tool. The instructor is still live and present with the learners at the same time, even if they're not in the same physical room.
Got it. So the live together part is key, not the physical walls. With so many options available, when should we choose good old-fashioned ILT?
Excellent question. ILT shines when the topic is complex, sensitive, or requires hands-on practice. It's ideal for teaching soft skills like leadership or negotiation, where nuanced discussion is vital. It's also perfect for technical skills that need physical demonstration, or for any subject where spontaneous questions and group problem solving are a major part of the learning.
That makes sense. What are the big benefits that keep ILT so relevant?
The biggest strength is that live human connection. Learners get immediate clarification. The instructor can read the room and adapt. There's a high level of engagement through direct interaction and collaborative activities. It builds a learning community instantly.
And I imagine there are some limitations to consider.
Of course, it can be logistically challenging and costly, scheduling a time, booking a space, gathering everyone. It's also less scalable. One instructor can only handle so many learners at once while maintaining quality. And once the session is over, it's harder for learners to revisit the material on their own time.
Let me try a practical example. Say we need to train new hires on our company's safety procedures for operating heavy machinery.
Perfect. That's a textbook case for ILT. You have a complex, hands-on skill with serious consequences. An instructor can demonstrate the machinery controls live, observe each learner's practice, correct techniques in real time, and answer very specific safety questions as they come up. That immediate, expert feedback is irreplaceable here.
So to wrap up, ILT is live instructor-driven training. It's powerful for complex, interactive, or hands-on topics because of that direct human guidance and adaptability.
Exactly. It's defined by the live instructor's role in delivering content and facilitating learning in real time, whether in a physical classroom or a digital live session. Remember its strengths in engagement and immediate feedback, and its challenges with logistics and scale.
Understanding what ILT is the first step. The natural next question is, how do we do it well?
Right. Now that we know the what and when, our next lesson will dive into the how. We'll explore specific strategies to create effective and engaging instructor-led training sessions.